Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rita. I am from UP. I hope you are doing well and learning this beautiful and amazing language in a fun and simple way. Friends, this is day 11 of my English speaking practice and journey. I didn't record my video yesterday, so I thought I should record my video today. I am a SSC aspirant as well as English learner, and I woke up early, 3 o'clock, around 3 o'clock in the morning. Now I want to maintain my consistency. That's why I am recording my video early in the morning around 3 o'clock. Yesterday there was a function at my home, so I was quite busy throughout the day. I wanted to create my video, but unfortunately, I didn't get enough time to record. As a result, I missed my one day. I promised myself I would continue to record my video to practice and then I would upload my video. But you know, I missed my consistency due to some reasons, and I have told the reason. Life has its ups and downs. Sometimes unexpected things happen. Sometimes unexpected things happen, and we can't follow our plans exactly as we want. And these things happens in every person life. Many people want that they will do their work like that, but they fail they fail because as we want this kind of things doesn't happen in our life, because these types of plans we make, and these types of plans didn't work in our life, and these kinds of plans happen according to God. You know, I believe that consistency is one of the most important things in our life, or in any kind of work, whether it is studying, learning English, working on a skill, or achieving any other goal. Consistency matters in every area, in every field. That's why I don't want to give up just because I missed one day. Instead, I want to start again and keep moving forward. And I break my consistency about my study. Sometimes I study 1 hour, sometimes I study 5 hours, sometimes I study 10 hours, and sometimes I missed one day or 2 days. Yesterday I didn't record my video, I didn't practice, and I didn't study due to work. Okay. And yesterday the functions was held at my home. I wanted to tell you function name. The function name was Seer Singhi. You you are hearing the name Seer Singhi, and in my local area we called it Seer Singhi. I don't have any idea what is the name in English. That's why I call it Seer Singhi. There are many functions, and we don't have any idea what is the name of English. In my village, every families or everyone celebrates this kind of festival. Actually, my sister weddings was in the November, and everyone considered that uh, after marriage was a functions. It was a functions in the month of yeah, August or September, and that's why the function was happen at my home. Everything was smooth. I have taken this challenge to improve my English and become more confident before the beginning of 2027. You know, I was unable to speak English yesterday, and even today I am unable to speak anything because I have some problem neck in my neck. That's why. But I can't break my consistency. I have told you that. My goal is to continue this challenge until December 31, 2026. I know I will not always be easy, and there may be many ups and downs along the way, ups and downs along the way, but I am determined. Listen, I am determined to keep going. I believe that if I practice every single day, even for a short time, I will definitely see a big improvement in myself, in my journey, and in my English. That's why I am recording my video every single day. But sometimes I break my consistency, but I try to maintain this consistency every single time. But I can't say anything if I break my consistency, and everyone knows that consistency plays vital roles in our life in any other work. You know, I want to tell you something. In the present time, I am learning idioms and phrasal verbs. I have told you that I am SSC aspirant. In SSC exam, there are many idioms and phrasal verbs, fill in the blanks, and a lot of grammar rules which I have to study. And right now, I am studying this kind of thing. That's why I want to mention some idioms, some collocations in my practice, and sometimes I practice it. So I want to tell you some idioms. Like first idiom is donkey's ears. You know donkey's ears means a long period. मतलब लंबे समय तक. For example, I didn't meet you donkey's ears. मैं तुमसे लंबे समय से नहीं मिला. Okay. And the second idiom is break the ice. Break the ice. It means चुप्पी तोड़ना. So I can give you one example. Let's start. Let's let's start the discussion. Break the ice. And the second idiom is in no time. In no time. It means थोड़ी देर में. In no time means like shorter time. Shorter time. Okay. And fourth idiom is I will recall. It will take some time. Yeah. Fourth idiom is like sorry, I have forget and it slipped my mind. I have to recall all this kind of idioms. And in the morning, first First, I am remembering all idioms, meanings, collocation, phrasal verbs. I can say I can say at the present time I am learning only English content. It helps me to improve my English fluency and grammar rules. I am learning English. I am learning English because I have told you that I am SSC aspirant. That's why I am learning a lot of things. And like story, it plays vital role in SSC journey. Skimming, paragraph, RC means comprehension. And when I read comprehension, I find many things like phrasal verbs, fill in the blanks, antonyms, synonyms, and many difficult words. And I'll found some meanings to difficult words and how to use in a sentence. So it will help me a lot when I study. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'll meet in day 12 in my practice video. So bye bye.